जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः।
The Gospel of the Holy Mother, Sri Sharada Devi. Reminiscences and conversations recorded by Swami Arupananda. Place Udbodhan, 7 July 1912. Arupananda. Mother, was it not arranged that you would visit Puri at the time of the car festival, that is Rath Yatra? Mother, is it good to go there when there is such a rush of people? Perhaps there will be an epidemic of cholera then. Lakshmikant, the priest, had said, all the rooms and houses have already been rented. There is no place now to stay in. Even the small rooms have been rented for 10 rupees each. Please come during the winter. Disciple, whose image is worshipped there? Mother, in a dream, I saw that it was really the image of Shiva. Disciple, did you not see the image of Jagannath there? Mother, no, I saw only the image of Shiva. The Lord Jagannath Shiva was seated on the altar made of 1,00,000 of shalgrams, that is an emblem of Vishnu. Is it without any reason that thousands of devotees visit the temple? There is also the image of goddess Vimla. A special offering is made to her on the Mahashtami night. Vimla Devi is another form of Durga. So, is it not natural that Shiva too will be present there? Disciple, some are of the opinion that this was originally a Buddhist temple and the image of Buddha was installed there. When the temple fell into the hands of the followers of Shankaracharya, the image was converted into the emblem of Shiva. And still later, when the Vaishnavas got control, they converted it into the image of Sri Jagannath Vishnu. Mother, I don't know all this, but I saw the image of Shiva. Arupananda. How many temples, how many images of gods and goddesses the Muslim invaders have destroyed. They have cut off the noses of some of the images and the ears of others. Mother, the image of Govindaji of Vrindavan was taken to Jaipur in fear of these Muslim invaders. The priest became upset and insisted that the deity be brought back. At last, they heard a divine oracle. The image has gone, not I. Prepare another image, and I shall stay in it. Disciple, there is the temple of Somnath in Gujarat. The priests in the former times used to bathe the deity daily with the water from Gangotri. Every day people used to carry water from the Himalayas in the pots on their heads. Sultan Muhammad demolished the image and carried away the temple doors that were made of sandalwood. Mother, why should that happen? Mother, the wicked do not feel the divine presence in the image. The deity disappears, as it were, before them. God can do whatever He likes by His mere will. This also is a sport of God. Arupananda. Can the effect of karma be made null and void? The scriptures say that the knowledge alone can destroy karma. Still, one must reap the result of prarabdha karma. Mother, karma alone is responsible for our misery and happiness. Even the master had to suffer from the effect of karma. Once his elder brother was drinking water while delirious. The master snatched the glass out of his hand after he had drunk just a little. The brother became angry and said, "You have stopped me from drinking water. You will also suffer likewise. You will also feel such pain in your throat." The master said, "Brother, I did not mean to injure you. You are ill. Water will harm you. That is why I have taken the glass away. Why have you then cursed me in this manner?" The brother said, weeping, "I do not know, brother. These words have come from my mouth. They cannot but bear fruit." At the time of his illness, the master told me, "I have got this ulcer in my throat because of that curse. None of you need suffer in future. I have taken all your sufferings." I said to him in reply, "How can an ordinary man possibly live if such a thing as this can happen to you?" The master remarked, "My brother was a righteous man. His words must come true. Can the words of anyone and everyone be thus fulfilled?" After a little pause, the Holy Mother continues, "My child, the result of karma is inevitable, but by repeating the name of God, you can lessen its intensity. If you are destined to have a wound as wide as a plowshare, you will get a pinprick at least. The effect of karma can be counteracted to a great extent by japa and austerities. This was the case with King Suratha. He had worshipped the goddess by slaughtering a lakh of goats. Later on, these 100,000 goats killed the king with one stroke of the sword. He did not have to be born 100,000 times. That was because he had worshipped the Divine Mother. Chanting God's holy name lessens the intensity of karmic effects. Disciple, if that be so, then the law of karma is supreme in this world. Then why should one believe in God? The Buddhists accept the law of karma, but not God. Mother, what? Do you mean to say that there are no deities like Kali, Krishna, Durga, and the like? Arupananda, Mother, is the effect of karma destroyed by austerities and japa? Mother, why not? It is good to do the right kind of work. One suffers by doing evil, and one feels happy in doing good.
यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्या स्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम् शारदां